Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to find same name in two Excel columns. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel worksheet. Now we can see here main data. Now I am select multiple column, click and drag on our mouse. Now we want to find data from these two columns. Go to the home menu, select the find and select drop down menu, choose find option, then write the duplicate name or same name, then click find all. Then we can see here the two cell 4 names automatically find it. You want to delete the all name or select, click and drag on your mouse. We can see we select the same name into Excel sheet easily, then close the window. Now we can see we find same name in two columns easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.